So I'm in this camp here in the Boundary Waters, and I've camped here so many times by myself and with other people. And there's one friend of mine that when we camp at this site, it rains every night we're here, and we never get to burn the firewood that we have. And when you're with other people, you tend to do a lot of sitting around the fire. We'd get here, we'd go out fishing, and it would immediately start to rain. We'd get back here and we'd have to tent it. That's one of the biggest reasons why I went away from just a closed-up tent to try and do shelters that during bug season they have mosquito screen, but that they still have some type of an awning, so you can sit out of the rain and still experience all of this, which is why you're out here. You're not out here to be closed up in a little doghouse. It's a beautiful evening, and the weather forecast, now that I filmed something a little earlier, I brought a weather radio, which I brought for the first time the last trip we took here for 3 weeks. It was awesome. You can really plan your days around it. It's one piece of technology that I'd highly recommend. And I don't know if I grabbed the wrong radio or if this one got dropped and is broken, but no weather report. So I'm a little bummed about that. But the last thing I saw, although the weather in this area tends to change daily, was that there's no rain till next week, which means there's a very good possibility there'll be a fire ban go into effect. And I made sure to bring lots of fuel to take care of that possibility. But it is a truly beautiful evening.